Well, hey family, this is Darlene. Happy Monday. I hope everybody had a really good weekend and it was busy and it was fruitful. It was relaxing and it was all that good stuff. But I am working on bead orders and a lot of orders went out on Saturday. So if you ordered last week on Friday, I think Friday, Thursday spilled it over into Friday. Your orders went out on Saturday morning. So when I got up this morning, I do have some other orders that I need to get out. So I am working on orders now. One lady wanted these gold accent. I call them kind of gold vintage. She wants 100 of these. So I got these packaged up. And I'm going to ship these out for you today, ma'am. So you'll get those. And oh, these hot pinks. These will go into the Etsy shop. Probably on the website later today too. So these are going out. Oh, also, these right here. These are new. These will probably go on the website as well. And then we, of course, got the color wash that's going. So all these are being shipped out. I was working on some more of these little color ones right there to your far left. I like the color wash one. These are pretty popular, those color wash beads. But these right here, these vintage gold ones, people seem to really, really like these. I like them too, and they match really good with anything gold. Gold or beige or ivory, off-white, some black, some turquoise, some ruby red, pretty much any color you want to match with them. So she ordered those. She got those 2 packages coming to her today. The purple beads, we got those going out. Some of these haven't even made it to either one of the websites. And that's only because people will email me and ask me about what I got. That's like the hot pinks right here, the neons. I shared a picture not in Facebook, but Messenger. Miss Lorraine was asking me, what do you have? So at the time, I had these hot pink ones, and I had these that I was working on. Well, that was already done, and I hadn't uploaded them yet. So she wants these. So those are going out today. And I am going to try to have these uploaded, many of these uploaded to both the Jewelry by BDK and also the Etsy shop. But these are your orders. I'm working on orders. So your orders from last night and anything that came through on Saturday after like 4 o'clock, that's what I'm working on. So these will go out today. Alrighty. And thank you for being here on Jewelry by BDK, all up in this community. And have a good day.